Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make prune juice. To begin, select 1 cup of high-quality, pitted dried prunes. It's important to choose prunes that are soft and plump for the best flavor. Once you have your prunes, give them a good rinse under cool, running water. This step helps to remove any surface impurities and prepares them for the next stage of our juice-making process. This simple start ensures a delicious and healthy beverage. Next, transfer your rinsed prunes into a heat-proof bowl or jar. Now, carefully pour in 2 cups of hot, filtered water, ensuring the prunes are fully submerged. This hot water helps to rehydrate them quickly. Allow the prunes to soak for at least 1 hour, but for an even richer and softer result, letting them soak overnight is ideal. This crucial step ensures they are perfectly tender for blending. Once your prunes are beautifully softened, it's time to blend. Carefully transfer both the prunes and their soaking water into a high-speed blender. Blend on high until the mixture achieves a completely smooth and uniform consistency. If you prefer a thinner juice, feel free to add an additional 1/2 cup of water and blend again. This step transforms the softened prunes into a rich, pulpy liquid. Finally, to achieve that smooth, clear prune juice, pour your blended mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a few layers of cheesecloth into a clean container. Use a spoon or spatula to press down on the solids, extracting every last drop of liquid. Discard the pulp, and there you have it. Store your freshly made prune juice in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy this nutritious drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.